Hi folks, it's Barry from the 8-Track Repair Center, and we're getting ready to do the testing on a unit that I've kind of pieced together for Gene Melichek. So we're going to turn on the radio here. Okay, we'll see how the tuning is. Okay, tuning's pretty touchy. Bring the meters in so we know we got output on all 4 speakers.
95.9 at the house. Songs you can sing along with because you know the words. Stephanie loves you, Billy Baby.
Okay, we'll pop a tape in here. Little Eagles Live. Change tracks. Eject the tape.
At the UPS store, their first order of business is your success. So here's a fast tip to help your small business grow.
Tuning drifted a little bit because I'm pressing the program and eject buttons. That is part of the tuning assembly, so sometimes that'll move the pointer a little bit. So we have tape and radio, all 4 speakers. There we are.